Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to IKEA credit card. IKEA is one of the biggest furniture and home accessory store. IKEA also provides you with credit card feature. It is issued by Community Bank. To log into your IKEA credit card, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in d.community.net/IKEA. Then you will be taken to official website of IKEA's credit card login. Now here you need to first select your card. There are two types of card provided by IKEA. One is project credit card and another is Visa credit card. I'm going on with Visa credit card. So click on IKEA Visa credit card option. After this, here you can see sign in option on the top. You need to click on sign in option on the top. After this, you will be taken to login page of IKEA credit card. Here you can see login box on the right side. You need to first enter your username on the given box. After this, you need to enter the correct password of your IKEA credit card. Then if you want your credentials to be remembered on your device, you can click on remember me box. With this, if you don't remember your username, then click on forgot username, and if you don't remember your password, click on password. With this, if you don't have your IKEA credit card account, then you can click on register now option and continue the further process. After entering your username and password, click on sign in. With this, now you'll be able to log into your IKEA Visa credit card account. This is how we can simply log into your IKEA credit card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.